Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Felma Pradika Mabanu Pumava.
This students na future papas lo.
Sure papas.
Ungathuki nje yasa South Africa umhlaba wami.
Igame ibone kanjani Rutman?
Mamela mfethu ngithi game mababe busy babathenga ngale abo referee ngale mali kaMtsipe.
Yeah.
Spell moya. Sithi like yethu awuyambona ureferee. No linesman. Mabaloko bagijima nje uyabona icheck emasawo emakhaya. So mina into engishoyo ukuthi le ngizoyikhuluma nakekho umuntu ozoyiphila ngalo izoyenzakala. Akunastai Sundowns ezosithatha. Akunaligi Sundowns ezoyithatha. Pirates yoyithathini. iSundowns ayidopini. Yes winile ngawaninyana edakiwe. Yokubhadala ukhiphile. Ariqinile ukwenzakala le. Yes today suka leSoweto besiya ama friends of Polokwane City.
Mbona ulinesman athi offset asibambikana.
Kanda ngoba icheck elibhale eMtsipe akunandaba elimoya mara ngithi star sesithuzo thatha ibhaka liyaqala yothatha ibhaka liyaqala Pirates yothatha iCapless Ford Black Label sibahlanganisile yothathini